Well, there we go. Polished up, ready for the car show. Gonna be happening in a couple of hours. We polished a turd. That's what a turd looks like, all polished right there. That's a turd, polished right up. And there's me. It's still in its original black lacquer paint, but that's kind of why it's not super gleamy, but I think it's close enough, good enough, ready to go in. Yay! See you when we get there. Do this all over again. Lost my videos, gotta do this again. No! No! Greasy, dirty dart.
Something is going on.
So yeah, best hot rod. Lost my videos. I have to do it all over again. This one's mine. I lost my video of this whole side. I got to go all the way down again. Yeah, this one's mine. And I got the best important best car here though. This one, best car here. Yeah, this whole side. So I'm gonna do it all again. I'm gonna look like an idiot, but I really don't care. This is nip one. Yeah, I know I'm an idiot, but I'd still say this is the best car here. Cleanest of all of them. It's like a perfect freaking restoration. This is nice. Oh. Can't believe I gotta do this all over again. Lost my videos and he got Judge's Choice. Pretty truck. Greasy Mopar 1 ton. I think a 94. And then the Mustang. The Mustang. Go fast Mustang. Don't see too many 5-liter convertibles. Most are LX 4 bangers. Oh. This right here. It's a Bradley. Bradley Electric. You'll never see any of these anywhere. He got an award too. But this is a Ford Maverick, and I fucking love these cars. It's a freaking beautiful car, man. What year? 1970. I got my driver's license in a 77 5-liter. It was fun. It was pretty quick, but stock. It's a beautiful car, buddy. What's that? Oh, they don't weigh anything. They're like 2,500 pounds. They just go. Love the car, man. Beautiful. Yeah. Back to the Bradley. With all the batteries. Now this car came from the same people. You got most unique entry. Beautiful mint vehicle. There's like maybe 5 of these in existence. This might even be the only one. I don't know. It's freaking wicked. Beautiful car. Beautiful. There. That's it. We're done. Another nice car. This is nice. Nice and clean. Gotta love these things. Frickin' Maverick. Love it. I'm gonna go across the street. Rusty Street. Here we go. This is nice. Kind of recognize this truck. It's been around a while. A little bit of rust, a little bit of crust, but she's running. This is nice. Is it 28? Camaro. And this is pretty. Very pretty. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now, we can't beat this. The old high boy. Almost original skin, looks like. Maybe it's all original, just been faded right out. Paint down to the primer. Love it. Love it. There we go. Sport Fury. Another greasy Mopar. Dirty car. And I mean dirty in a good way. Freaking nice. It's so nice. This one here. What do we got? There, she's nice. Damn. V8. Old Dodge. Is that Monaco? I don't know. Oh man, I haven't seen one of these for a long time. This is kind of neat too. Nice shape. Mitsubishi. I think it's probably 4-wheel drive too. Pretty cool right-hand drive. Ooh, it's all set up. That is cool. Ah, here we go. Gotta see this one. Gotta see this one. I love the back end of this. Look at that bum. Ooh, shake that booty. Look at that boot. Love the boot on that. This is nice.
Look, these are so cute.
This is cool. Just slammed. Just slammed. Well, that's it. Well, everyone went all lightweight and left. See ya. Oh, fuck. There we go. She's nice. Very nice. So totally nice. Fun as fuck. 43, the Croc. The Croc. Save the best for last. There you go. See you guys. So yeah, I gotta come back to this. Still, I think, best car here. Nicest. Because I have a 79 Formula. Love the gold bird, the pinstriping, the glass, black paint, the Kragers. You can't beat that. Oh, and the interior. It's like brand new. All the way, everywhere. Everywhere. Like, look at the flipping locks. Oh, just love it. Beautiful, beautiful car. There we go. The best for last.